Hello and welcome back to the Shreve, Crump Low YouTube channel. Before we get started, please remember to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button to stay up to date on all of our latest videos. For today's video, we will be taking a closer look at a classic recast in solid yellow gold, the 41mm Rolex Submariner 126618LN. The iconic Rolex Submariner received an update that included an increase in case size to 41mm. At first glance, the watch wears nearly identical to its predecessor. What you will notice is that the lugs have been made longer and slimmer, and the crown guards are thinner, giving it a more tapered profile. Other changes are just as subtle, they are easy to miss. The bracelet is now 21mm from 20mm, tapering down to 19. There are now two crowns that appear on the dial. Where there used to be just the Swiss-made text, the 6 o'clock position now has the Rolex crown between those two words, and they're positioned right at the bottom of the dial, with the minute markers located above the text instead of below them. Within the new Submariner also beats a new generation of movements. They feature the in-house caliber 3230 non-date function, or 3235 with a date function. These movements result in an increased power reserve of 70 hours, up from 48 hours, and have been updated to a precision of -+2 seconds per day. There is no doubt that the Rolex Submariner is the most iconic luxury sports watch of all time. What would make an icon even better? Yellow gold, of course. While it is controversial to fashion a watch designed for diving out of gold, it is undeniable that the choice will tickle your inner Gordon Gekko. Your new watch will come in the Rolex green box. Open the box to find all of the necessary documents, hand tags, and paperwork to authenticate your Rolex Submariner, as well as a quick start guide to teach you how to wind and set the watch. Please note these new 2021 models are being delivered with the new green warranty cards. This watch features a black ceramic bezel and black lacquered dial that contrast beautifully with the yellow gold hands and applied indices. You'll also see the Rolex Cyclops magnifying the date complication. In the hand, the weight will surely remind you that this is an 18-karat yellow gold produced in true Rolex fashion at their in-house foundry. The venerable Oyster Sport bracelet in yellow gold completes the luxurious look of this timepiece. Likewise, the classic Oyster Lock clasp, equipped with the glide lock adjustment, ensures a precise and extremely comfortable fit on the wrist. This Rolex Submariner and many more fine timepieces are available through our certified pre-owned collection. Please click the link in the description to view the full listing. To view all of our watches, fine jewelry, and giftware, please head to www.shrevecrumpandlow.com, or for further inquiry, send us an email at sales@shrevecrumpandlow.com.